channel. I'm Tia. I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig related content here. We're multicultural, we are inclusive, so if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, you're one of my little doll babies. Hi, doll baby. Hi, 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 hi. Hi, doll baby. How are you? So happy that you are here. So I have a little short wig show and tell because I have already worn this wig 3 times. So, but before we get to her, I want to talk about what's on my eyes. I just got this Violet Voss palette, and this is called See You Later, and it is a sister palette to one of my favorite palettes in the world, which is the Flamingo. And so I'm using a combination of colors. This is, you can see how much it's used. This is the Flamingo palette, and then this is the See You Later. They definitely complement each other. Like, they look, I'm going to do a video on these, so if you want to see a video comparing and showing how to use these and why they're my favorite palettes, then I'm going to do it, so you can watch it then. So today we have another magic lace, and this is, they don't have names. This is a magic lace MLI315. I have her in the color FFSugarblonde. It's a shiftable part. She is heat safe. Tell us what she's heat safe to. 360 degrees. They come in a lot of colors, these, and then these specialty color mixes. I got her from Ebony line for $18.24. Let's talk about her. I really love this wig. I love the color of this wig. This is all the hair to the front. She's a pretty thick wig, and I'm gonna put her in 20-22 inch range. Okay, she's got these gorgeous like rooting. It's like a number. It's a number 4-ish. And then these beautiful front pieces. That's what the face framing, because they do have a sugar blonde. She's definitely like a yaki texture. She's got some layers. Okay, wig cap is it's coming down pretty far, so I'd say it's an average to larger wig cap. I'm not getting really much. I've worn this a few times, not getting much shedding at all. I just use my own natural hair out as baby hairs, but I wouldn't need it or anything. Let's look at her from the back. Oh, look how beautiful she is from the back. This is the movement. Like I said, she's a thicker wig, so that's something to keep in mind. I'm living in the frozen tundra, and right now it's still cold. So I could wear this for quite a while where I live. But if you live in a warmer climate, just keep in mind this one is, you know, she's a pretty thick wig, so keep that in mind. I actually, just because I'm going, tomorrow is my birthday as I'm filming this. So I don't know when this will be up, but tomorrow's my birthday, so I am going to spend some time with my mom. So I kind of want to put this part up. So let's do a little bit of styling. Synthetic hair pieces that I got. I got this one off of Poshmark. I think you can get them on Amazon. I do have a video, an accessories haul video. If it's not up, it will be. And see, it still has a tag on it. But it's sort of like spiky, and it's just a hair tie. So I'm going to take the tag off. saw, I just put it up and then I razor combed a little bit so that I just had a few extra pieces down. But yeah, this is what I'm going to be working with today. I think it's cute. We're just hanging out, having some coffee, so, you know, I don't want to go too crazy, but I like it. So if you like this type of video where I do some styling, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and let me know down below. I will link my Magic List playlist, my Magic Lace playlist down below, because I have reviewed quite a few of these wigs. If there's another Magic Lace wig you would like me to review, put that down below, okay? If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!